Relax completely. Keep smiling. When you smile, your facial muscles are relaxed. When you smile, your face gets beautiful. So always smile, laugh, and be peaceful. And remove all your stress, anxiety, tensions. Take a deep breath. Breathe out all your stress, worries, fears, phobias, and completely relax. Eyes are gently open, lips together, shoulders are relaxed, and keep smiling. Take a deep breath. Breathe out all your stress, worries, fears. Watch your breath. Visualize your breath. Your tummy is getting expanded when you breathe in, and your stomach is contracting when you're breathing out. So you will visualize your body. If anywhere you have discomfort, take your awareness to there and take one more deep breath. For example, if you have a back pain, take a deep breath and feel that your back pain is evaporating. There is no pain. Feel that. First you have to feel inside, then expect outside. First you have to believe in yourself. Take a deep breath. All your bronchitis, cough, asthma, allergies getting evaporated. Take one more deep breath. Feel that your sugar is dropping to the normal. One more deep breath. Feel that your stress, anxiety, tensions are evaporating. Your body is fully discharged. You are immune. You are having full of immunity. Your metabolism is getting strong. And your hormones are getting balanced. You are getting peace. Feel that. Now take the affirmation. I'm courageous. I'm healthy. I'm hopeful. I'm prayerful. I'm stable. I'm confident. I'm peaceful. I'm joyful. I am wonderful. The kingdom of God is within me. He guides me every step. My journey to this universe is very happy journey. Mother Earth is blessing me all around. I give my gratitude to the universe, to the galaxies, to the infinite for giving me abundance, peace, joy, and happiness. I am sovereign. I am independent. Whatever I am feeling, I am injecting through my conscious to subconscious mind. My life is changing because I believe in myself and I believe in God. Thank you so much. I am Ramesh Mutha. Thank you.